Hello everyone, Suresh here from GenAI team at Pi by 3. So today I'm going to explain you what a proactive batch optimization system is. So let's get started. In the world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, the difference between a successful multi-million dollar batch and a complete costly failure can come down to a single degree of temperature or a slight shift in pH. Producing something like penicillin isn't a simple chemical recipe, it's a complex living biological process. And for decades, we have been trying to control it with systems that are fundamentally reactive. This introduces several critical challenges that everyone in the industry faces. First, our control systems are built on reactive alarms. An alarm tells you when a process parameter has already gone out of spec. It's like a smoke detector telling you the house is already on fire. By that point, the damage to the batch may be irreversible. Second, we are facing data overload. We ask our highly skilled operators to watch dozens of data streams at once, trying to spot invisible patterns in a sea of noise. This leads to operator variability, where the success of a batch can depend on who happens to be on the shift. And finally, the cost of failure is enormous. A single deviated batch isn't just a statistic on a report, it's millions of dollars in lost product, wasted resources, and a potential disruption to the supply of critical medicines. So, why does it matter so much to solve this? Why move from being reactive to being proactive? Because it fundamentally changes the game. It matters because maximizing yield isn't about pushing a system harder. It's about preventing the thousands of tiny deviations that erode quality and leads to failure. It matters because achieving the perfect golden batch quality consistently shouldn't depend on luck. It should be built into the process itself through data-driven precision. And most importantly, it matters because we can finally empower our operators. We can give them a crystal ball, the foresight to act before a problem even occurs. This is precisely the challenge our proactive batch optimization system was designed to solve. Our system reimagines the process control, combining real-time sensor data, predictive modeling, and an intelligent multi-agent AI to prevent deviations before they happen, ensuring batch quality and consistency. It intelligently brings together multiple inputs, including live sensor data such as pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen, control system setpoints like acid pump flow rates, base pump flow rates, historical batch performance data, and process models and SOPs. Each data source provides a different piece of puzzle, enabling a comprehensive predictive assessment of a batch's future. So, what is different in our system? The traditional process control relies on fixed recipes and reactive alarms. Operators only know there's a problem after it's too late. Our AI powered system, however, uses a predictive model to forecast the process trajectory. It acts as a lookout for the future problems. It empowers operators by not just flagging a future issue, but by running multiple what if scenarios to find the single best safe and most compliant corrective action to recommend. So, what are the benefits? Our approach delivers clear benefits such as operator empowerment. It turns operator from reactive problem solver into proactive process managers. Process insight. It captures subtle multivariable interactions impossible for a human to spot in a real time. Yield maximization. Reducing batch failures and process deviations directly increases final product yield. Consistency and reliability. It ensures consistent quality by guiding every batch along its optimal path. This is a simple diagram of our application where in phase 1 prediction we take live process data and predict the future, and in that predicted future outcome we analyze for problems. If there is a problem, then we go into a loop of brainstorm, test and select. After that, we find after finding the best fix found, we go to the next step where we double check for safety like the SOPs and the process models, and if and recommend the action to the operator. Operator can approve or reject that action obviously, and the final outcome is also generated into a PDF format. Now let's move on to the application to see exactly how it works. This is a main dashboard where a process operator can monitor a live batch and initiate an optimization cycle. The interface is clean. It shows the current status and key simulation metrics at a glance. Let's start by simulating the current batch. The operator simply selects the active batch and clicks simulate. As you saw, the dashboard was initially waiting for the data. The simulation metrics for phenylacetic acid flow, pH level and penicillin concentration are currently running. The batch execution data table here, this table contains our past execution and their total execution time. And most importantly, the run prediction summary at the bottom shows no results yet. This is where our system's recommendation will appear. Once the simulation starts, our multi-agent AI gets to the work. Specialized agents analyze the data to predict the future state of the batch, identify potential problems, and then find the optimal solution. The final result is a specific actionable recommendation delivered directly to the operator to keep the process within its optimal window, preventing the deviation before it even happens. So let's wait for the run prediction summary to appear. So a deviation is detected in our batch number 100 and there is a timestamp, there is a problem also and also a recommendation for that problem. Here there is a download button where you can download the PDF format of the report. And here's how the PDF looks like. It contains executive summary of a deviation, anomaly detection details like the anomaly score, anomaly threshold, prime contributing factors for the deviation and historical context from kappa data. And here are the 3 actions which are recommended by our system, and it selects the best action which has the least anomaly score. And here is a final action validation from Guardian Safety and Compliance Check. So thank you.